Fix DNS server not responding on Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart the router and reconnect Windows. A fresh network handshake can clear a temporary DNS outage between the computer, router, and provider. Fix 2. Flush the DNS cache. Clearing cached lookup data removes stale records that can keep pointing Windows to the wrong destination. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 3. Reset the network stack. Resetting the networking components rebuilds broken TCP/IP and adapter settings that can block DNS traffic. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 4. Run network adapter troubleshooter. Fix 5. Update the network adapter driver. A repaired or updated driver can restore clean communication between Windows and the adapter.